ClickBank Affiliate Marketing Review, Products and Marketplace. ClickBank is one of the first affiliate networks and has had a strong influence on new entrants to the industry. The platform is available to sellers and affiliate marketers with different levels of experience. With timely and reliable payments, this is one of the best marketing platforms for affiliates. Sellers also get a market of hundreds of millions of customers. ClickBank also is home to more than 100,000 affiliate members. ClickBank is easy to approach, especially for affiliate marketers with little previous experience. The marketplace provides sellers and marketers with extensive training materials. Sellers can also set their preferred commission rates. At the same time, affiliates can rely on timely and reliable payments. ClickBank's marketplace includes 20 to 30 main areas like business and investing, education, cooking, employment and jobs, games, health and fitness, home and garden, languages, mobile, parenting and families, self-help, sports, travel, software and services, and so on. The marketplace sells both digital and physical products. The problem with ClickBank is the large number of low-quality products. There are more than 6 million digital products for sale on the marketplace. First, it seems as if it would be simple to find a valuable product to promote right away. However, there are a large number of products that are not worth to advertise. You must examine and filter characteristics, dig deep into product information and do your research before you're ready to choose a winning product to advertise. ClickBank's gravity is meant to give you an idea of how popular the product is on the market. The higher the gravity score means that the product is popular. It is calculated based on the number of sales made by partners, with one sale equaling one gravity point. According to this logic, you should always advertise products with the highest gravity score on ClickBank's marketplace. While it seems reasonable, you should not try to advertise such a product if you are a newbie. If you're wondering why, the answer is simple: with a high gravity score means intense competition. What is a suitable gravity score on ClickBank for beginners? If you decide to stay in the middle, a good gravity score is between 20 and 80. It's not too high or too low. You will succeed to get the high number of commissions because the competition is not so fierce. Understand that the ClickBank's gravity need not be the deciding factor. It doesn't have to mean that you can't make a lot of sales just because you pick a product with low gravity. The number is only meant to be informative, so don't rely on it. How to choose the right product? Choose the products you are interested in. The biggest difference is that you are interested in the product you are offering. If you don't understand why someone would buy the product you're promoting, your potential buyers won't understand it either. You should understand how the product can solve a potential customer's problem. If your product does not solve the problem of your target audience, it will not be bought. You need to promote your product in a way that makes it easier for buyers to realize why they need it. Don't expect to get rich overnight when you begin your ClickBank journey. You probably don't make thousands of dollars in just a couple of weeks. You need to gain some experience and learn which marketing methods work for what you're promoting before you start earning lots of money. Know the value of a well-designed landing page. Regardless of ClickBank's gravity score, you probably can't make many sales if your landing page is poorly designed. Don't use aggressive headings, text, photos, colors, and videos. The best thing you can do is explain to potential customers how your product solves their problem and why they need it. Ensure that the commission rate is at least 50%. Find products with a commission rate of at least $20. Ensure that the product you choose has a low return rate. You may not want to try to promote products that cost several $100s or more, as very few people are willing to pay a high price for any product. When it comes to selecting a product, the common advice is to stick to a particular niche. There are a few timeless niches that are always in demand. These are some good niches: finance and money, health and fitness, self-help, technology, fashion and beauty, lifestyle, travel. Millions of people want to help themselves, live healthier, or make a lot of money. These are good niches from which a beginner can block suitable products for advertising. Here is a short list of where and how to advertise your products. You don't have to choose many channels, one can be just fine. The channels: your blog and posts, YouTube, Facebook, emails, your email list, if you have one, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, podcasts, webinars, guest posts. Perhaps the most effective way to market your products is through cleverly designed email campaigns, but this requires you to have built up a large enough list of people interested in your niche. I hope this video helped you if you are planning to promote ClickBank products. Thank you for watching.